In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can trade effectively in Deriv even if you do not have a laptop or a computer, okay? As you guys know, in my live streams, I've always used split screen, this one here, whereby usually one part of my screen is where usually I trade on Deriv, and the other part of the screen is whereby I usually have the analysis tool, okay? But most traders have come to me telling me that they do not have a laptop or a computer, and they're wondering how they can do it. So this is how we do it. So ensure you have two phones, okay? So your first phone, ensure it is on the official Deriv.com platform, and your second phone, ensure it is on any analysis tool, or it is on Deriv Trader, so that you're able to see these digit circles, okay? But I can say that you can use, okay, so basically I can recommend that you use dbtraders.com so that you're able to see these tickers. You can see here I have my ticker, okay? The platform I'm using here is called dbtraders.com. You can see it there, okay? So you can be able to use that ticker effectively. So remember again what I told you guys, please only execute your trades on the official Deriv.com platform. So do not go using that party websites for your real trades, okay? Only execute your trades on the official platform, okay? So as you can see here, I have my bot. This is one of my Deriv accounts. So as you can see here, this is the official Deriv.com platform, and I have my my dollar printer bot there. Sorry, I have my dollar printer bot there, and this part of the screen I have my analysis tool. So as I'm running my bot, I can be able to see what is going on in the market at the same time, okay? So this is what every trader should, whenever you find yourself using a bot, ensure you also have a view of the market at the same time. Okay, this ensures that in case the market becomes unconducive, you can be able just to stop your bot, look for another market, or you wait a bit and then you continue. Okay, but don't just execute it. Don't basically use one phone for your trades and analysis. Okay, this can put you in a lot of danger. All right, yeah. So this is basically how you do it. Ensure you have two phones. The second phone is not a must for it to be yours. If you do not have a second phone, you can just borrow someone else's phone. Just log into the analysis tool, analyze while you're trading, and your work will be easy. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, how you can do it. It's pretty much the same as split screen, because as you can see, split screen, I'm having a view of both the a view of both the market and the analysis tool, the same as here. Okay, yeah. So this is basically how you can do it. If you have any question about it, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be able to get back to you. Or you can comment down below. Or yeah, just comment down below or WhatsApp us. We'll be able to get back to you. If you do not have a good bot, please ensure you WhatsApp us. My WhatsApp number is in the description, so that at least you're able to get good bots that will make your life easier as a trader. Otherwise, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please ensure you subscribe and like, and it will be highly, highly appreciated. Keep on trading, guys. Keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.